Learn how to use the Pomodoro Technique to increase your productivity, focus and concentration. In this video tutorial, we discuss what the Pomodoro Technique is, how to use it, and the benefits of using it. We also provide step-by-step instructions on how to use the technique, so you can start using it right away. Watch this video to learn how to maximize your productivity with the Pomodoro Technique. Hello everyone, my name is Earl Charles and welcome to this tutorial on the Pomodoro Technique. This technique is designed to help you increase your productivity, focus, and concentration in a way that works with your body's natural rhythms. In this video, we'll discuss what the Pomodoro Technique is, how to use it, and how it can help you stay productive and focused. Let's get started. Part 1, what is the Pomodoro Technique? The Pomodoro Technique is a simple time management system designed to help you focus on a task and stay productive. The technique uses a timer to break down tasks into 25-minute intervals, separated by short breaks. The intervals are known as pomodoros, and the breaks are known as rest periods. This technique can be used for any task, from studying to writing a paper to cleaning the house. Part 2, how to use the Pomodoro Technique. Step 1, choose a task. The first step is to choose a task that you want to focus on. Try to choose a task that is manageable and can be completed in one Pomodoro. Step 2, set a timer. Once you have chosen a task, set a timer for 25 minutes. This is the time you will spend focused on the task. Step 3, focus on the task. During the 25 minutes, focus on the task at hand and try to eliminate distractions. If any distractions arise, make a note of them and move on. Step 4, take a break. Once the timer goes off, take a 5-minute break. During this time, you can do something unrelated to the task, like getting a snack, taking a walk, or checking your email. Step 5, repeat. After the break, set the timer again and repeat steps 2 to 4. Part 3, benefits of the Pomodoro Technique. The Pomodoro Technique has many benefits. It helps you stay focused and productive, as it limits distractions and allows you to work in short bursts. It also helps you to better manage your time, as it helps you break down tasks into manageable chunks. Finally, it helps reduce stress, as it allows you to take regular breaks and keeps you from feeling overwhelmed. Conclusion. The Pomodoro Technique is a great way to stay focused, productive, and stress-free. It's easy to use and can be applied to any task. Give it a try and you may be surprised at how much more productive you can be. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the Pomodoro Technique. We hope you found it helpful. Good luck and happy productivity. This video was brought to you by Channel Success Mindset and Personal Growth. Subscribe now and start your journey towards success.